I think I found the perfect tail bag for the Hawk 250 project. Now, this tail bag is really a nice fit, nice colors, and the installation was really straightforward and easy. Now, I purchased this from Amazon, and it's not a paid advertisement, it's just where I got it from. And this bag is offered in different colors, so I chose the blue option, blue and black, and that matches the bike really well. So let's get this unbagged and we'll show you. What I really like about it is that this bag is expandable. Has some nice bungees on the top, and that top flap does open up also, as well as unzips. Okay, let's install this thing. And we remove the bolts off of the luggage carrier plate. Now, this package came with several ways to secure this bag down, and I chose the two that I'm going to use. And I'm installing the male connectors or latches. There they are. And we're just going to make it real simple and easy and secure. We're just going to go right under that plate for the rear mounting point. And for the front, we're going to remove the seat. The side cover off. And that will reveal two bolts that hold this seat down. And then in the front, there's some little fingers that slide in and secure the front of the seat. So remove the seat and then pull up and back. And we're fishing our straps through. Installing the male connectors. And we want to make sure that they're equal length. So now that we have those laid out and in the correct position, time to reinstall the seat. And the last piece. Secure the hardware. And now we place the bag. And it's as easy as clicking these connectors in place. And until I'm sure that this is where the bag's going to go, I'm just going to tie up the extra length. And then later we'll cut that off and singe it. And moving to the other side. And last connector. Hey, there it is. And like I said, that thing will collapse down. And now we'll take a look inside. Has some hold down straps. And there is another zippered compartment. Just a really nice little bag. I really like it. And here it is collapsed on the bike. Yeah, that worked out really well. Super happy. And it matches the bike perfectly. And that's the info if anybody's interested. Hey, as always, thanks for watching.